Hello, everyone. Good morning, wherever you are. I'm here in Australia, and I have with me from Maryland, USA, Miss Lily Swee. Hi, Lily.
Hi Sharon, how are
How are
you?
you? I'm good. How's the weather in USA?
Right now it's cold but manageable today.
Yeah. That's
Mhm.
great. I'd love to go USA someday and experience the snow.
Yeah,
In
sure. We will surely meet one day. Even in Australia, I like to visit there.
yeah, you
Mhm.
can call me and you can visit here.
Yeah.
Lily Swee, welcome to Coffee Talk with Sharon. And
Okay.
Lily, I heard you are a mom. You are also an interpreter, a sushi chef, and a digital business owner. Tell us about yourself.
Yes, my name is Lily Lian Swinam, and I am from Myanmar, which is also known as Burma. And I've been here in the United States for 9 years now. And then right now, I work as a medical interpreter and a part-time sushi chef, helping my husband. I have 3 daughters, taking care of children, and also doing online business.
That's great. And how did you start this business? Oh, why did you start this business, rather?
Yes, because I have a 2 years old baby, and if I work full time and I have no childcare, that is my biggest problem that I was facing after I have the baby, and I could not go to full-time job. So I have to change my full-time job to part-time. Even that also only after my older kids coming back from school I can start working. So I was desperately needed another job to have extra income. So that is why I was looking for online business. And then I was blessed to found this business. And then I started right away because to get more extra income and also to be able to taking care of my children. And I don't need a nanny anymore or a babysitter anymore. I can babysit and then I can spend time with my children. So that is why I started this business.
I think I get you when you said the child care because I have a son which is also a 7 year old, and he's going to primary school. And
Mm-hmm.
for 3 years now, I was having a hard time for 3 years getting him an after school care. And I was also desperate. Like every year, I'm thinking, where could I get somebody to take care of him while I am at work, and doing this while I'm working, and then where will I put him? So it's really hard to balance it, especially we are a mom, and we have children, and we
Yes,
want to balance the time between
that's
work,
right.
earning
Hmm.
for our family, and at the same time,
Yeah, and also keeping them in daycare also not easy. I
mhm.
tried to keep my little baby when she was 1 year old. I sent her to daycare. She cried the whole day, and then not eating like home. She's scared of stranger. And then we tried for 3 weeks. It didn't work out, and then she become she lost her weight and not eating well. So I was so sad. you know I still want to make money and work out, but when I have a problem with my baby, it's really sad
It's
on
hard to
me.
see them. Yeah,
Yes,
it's hard to
yes,
see them.
yes,
Yeah, having difficulty. Uh, they're the one, as if like they're the one adjusting to
right.
our schedule, because we need to earn this money and we need to go to our work and spend our time with our work, rather than growing, taking care of them,
Yes,
right? Yeah.
yes,
So
exactly.
why did you start, why digital business?
Why digital business? That's a good question because there are a lot of online business nowadays. We can see it's like I can say it's uncountable. But why I choose this particular business digital business is that I love the system, that I love the compensations plan, the marketing plan, because other online business we might need to spend more time on that, and then here, it's not that we don't have to spend time, but still, then we can adjust our time. Sometimes we are very busy. I work for sushi, and then I do interpreting job, and also cooking, house cleaning, doing everything. But still, then I still have a time for this digital business, whereas I don't have for other online business because I have to give more time with the other people, the members or something. But here, the system provide everything. Once we got into this business, we got this, the training side. Everything is there. We can go back there and we have a look. You know, we teach ourselves. We don't need a teacher. You know, and also seeing others' success, it's inspiring. Every time we see people access, we get a new strength to restart
Mm.
our business. you know and then totally I love the system. As I say, the compensation plan, the marketing plan, everything. That is why I choose this digital business.
Amazing. You said
Mhm.
that the system, I think I agree with you with the system because we are busy moms,
Yeah.
and you are still working uh, as a sushi and an interpreter. And then when you come back home, it doesn't stop there. You're still doing your household works, and we need a a business that will support
Mhm.
us
Yes.
while we do all this routine every day, our job, our work every day, even our household work. We need a system that will support us and will work on its
Yes.
own while we do the important things like taking care of our family, cooking for
Exactly.
them, and spending time with them, a quality time. And we have that here, right?
Yes.
We are
Yes.
using that system, and
Mhm.
it's supporting us, and
Correct.
that's good about
And
this business.
then sometime I don't feel like doing it, but the system is still running. That my business is, even if I sleep or I rested or I don't do anything, the system is still working. That's amazing.
Correct.
Mm-hmm.
Amazing. Yeah, you said that. I just remembered, like, I was talking to my child a while ago, and I was telling her that I'm not in my computer for the last 2 days because
Uh-huh.
she's really been upset having this teething, so I can't face the computer at all. So, but still, our business is still running and working for us, and that's the system, the automation that secure our business is working, even we are doing other things.
That's
And
correct.
Lily, can you tell us how do you manage your time? Because you're still working as part-time sushi chef and interpreter, medical interpreter, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. How do you manage your time? A lot of people is telling us or asking us, how would I do this?
Yeah.
I'm still working.
Yeah.
How can I do this?
Yes, that's right. Because, when I introduce some of my friends about this business, they will say, I don't have time yet because I have to take care of my baby, because I'm doing that. I really don't have time for this business yet. No, that is totally wrong. When you don't have time, and then when you are very busy, this is the right business that you have to choose. Because you don't have to give much time. In your own convenience time, you can do wherever you go, while taking care of the children, even while cooking, or even while taking the children to the park. or traveling or everything, you can still do it just with whenever if you have the phone with you. That is, so at least we have a time to scroll down our Facebook and watch, like, something else. So if we have
Definitely.
time to watch the Facebook and YouTube or something, that means that you can do
Yeah.
this business, but that means that you have time to do this business. It's not difficult at all. So I
Mm.
would say that those who are busy have no time to do other job. This is the right job that it is good for us to choose.
Yes. And we don't need to stuck ourselves in front of the computer to do this digital business, right?
Correct,
Yeah.
correct. Yeah.
Mm. Mm. And we don't need to, like, yeah, we don't need, we just have to find time, like an hour a day,
Yes.
which is very convenient whenever you
Mhm.
have a time. Yeah.
That's correct. Yeah, for me, like before I drive, going to sushi store, maybe just I have a look and like click it, and then maybe like taking photo, and then like start about just that's it, like 2 3 words. That's it. Very simple. Everyone can do it.
Lily, invite them for our free webinar, and in your website, where will they go if they want to, uh,
Yeah.
register,
Mm-hmm.
or yeah, invite
Yeah,
them.
learn the webinar. Please subscribe, free subscription at www.lilyswee.com. And for US, it's on every Tuesday and Thursday evening. So it's really good. So I invite you to watch the webinar.
Yes, everyone. And this is
Mhm.
free info session that we are providing for everyone who wants to know how they can start their online business while they are working, or when they are just at home and they want something to earn, while taking care of their children, or probably you want a side hustle. Go to our website and we will provide you all the information that you are going to need to start up your digital business. It's free, so nothing to lose. And if you don't have time, we will send you a replay that you can play anytime that you are available. So watch that webinar. In Australia, it's every Wednesday and Fridays, 11 a.m. in Canberra, Sydney, and Melbourne time. So the website is down below. Mine is www.sharonrebucas.com. Just key in your name and your email address. We will not give away your email and your name, so don't worry. Our website is secured, and your data is secured with us. And yeah, so this is a legit business. If you are interested, just hop on and watch our webinar. Lily, any last words, Lily?
Yeah, so those who really want to have a life changing, like the living style, the income, everything, please join our business without hesitation. Unless you start, you will never know. So please, confidently start this business. Before that, please learn from our webinar that we just mentioned earlier. Thank you very
Yes.
much,
How
everyone.
long have you been working with this business, Lily?
Over oh, it's 4 months already now.
Oh yeah, and
Yeah.
you are really doing so well for that 4 months.
Thank you.
Amazing, amazing.
Yeah, yeah.
God bless, Lily, and God bless to your business and to your work.
You
And
too. Yeah,
thank you
thank
for
you very
joining
much.
us
And
in
then God bless
Coffee
you.
Talk with
Okay.
Sharon.
Bye-bye.
And
Mhm.
bye,
Yeah.
everyone. See you next time in
Okay,
Coffee Talk
see.
with Sharon. Lily, stand by.
Okay, bye. Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.